everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. You guys, after watching Candypoovloglife video, her granny was making chicken and dumplings, and what she was using was these cans. Instead of doing it the old-fashioned way, she did it the simple way. She said all you have to do is doctor it up. I went to Dollar Tree and I found Comfort Creek Foods dumplings and chicken. This is the can that she had. Now the ones in the blue can, I know what Candypoo was talking about. I do not like those dumplings. I don't. Her granny doctored it up and she tasted it. She said it was good. Now anything that Candypoo tastes and said that it's good, you know it's got to be good. So I went out and I bought 6 cans of chicken and dumplings, but I'm going to use 4 right now. And I'm going to add other ingredients, you know, with it. She also mentioned chicken bullion cubes. It has like 6 extra large cubes in it. So I went and found these at Winn-Dixie. Okay, this is what she used. And she said she also used chicken broth, but I'm going to also add cream of chicken in mine. So if you want to see how I doctor it up, stay tuned. First, I am going to use Swanson chicken broth, and it can be any brand. Pour that in there. Cream of chicken. This is by Kendall Farm. Okay. It can be any brand. And I am going to whisk it up. Next, I am going to add about 2 cubes of the chicken bouillon. And this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. This chicken bouillon gives it more flavor. I'm going to add another one. So that's 2 chicken bouillons. And then I am going to add Country Crock original margarine. Just a little. But you can doctor it up your way. Thank you, Granny. Okay, this is the second can. And it does have little pieces of chicken in it. You can add some chicken to it also. But I'm cooking something else, you know, for dinner, you know, as well. And to pretty much thicken it up, I am going to use some cornstarch. So I am going to add a little cornstarch just to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, you guys, I am going to let this cook and we will be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I am back. I let it cook for a while and it's thickened a little. And y'all, my mistake was when you get your cornstarch, mix a little water in it first just to get it kind of soupy so that you won't have lumps inside. If you're going to put it in with, if you're going to put the powder into your food, it's the cornstarch going to kind of be lumpy. So I advise you to kind of mix it up first with water and then pour it over into your, your food, whatever you're cooking, to thicken it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in a bowl. All the steam. I'm gonna put a little parsley flakes over in it, to give it a little decoration. All right, let me do the taste test. Okay, a little taste test. So the high, I'm gonna let it cool down first. It's good, you guys. It is really good. If you want to take a shortcut, this is the way. Thank you, Granny, again, Candypoo, for showing us the easier way. I am loving this. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another video coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.